Hey everyone, this is Divya from Taboo Foodies. Today I'm sharing a tasty healthy breakfast recipe, whole wheat uttapam. It's an instant uttapam recipe, so there is no soaking and grinding required, and it's very easy to make. Plus these savory pancakes are high in protein. Each pancake is packed with veggies and roughly 16 grams of protein. It's a perfect, wholesome and delicious recipe to kickstart your day. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Add around 230 grams of roughly chopped paneer to a food processor along with a handful of coriander and 2 green chilies. Blend well until everything is combined. Transfer this paneer mixture to a bowl. Then add 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, which is optional, and 1 cup of natural plain yogurt. Mix well. Then add about half cup of water and mix again to form a smooth creamy batter. Next add 1 tablespoon jaggery powder or any sweetener you prefer, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix gently one last time until everything is well combined. Pour about 1/3 cup of batter onto a low to medium heated pan. Top with finely chopped cabbage and carrot, or use your choice of veggies. Peas, green beans or chopped spinach work well too. Drizzle some oil around the edges and cook for few minutes until golden. Carefully flip the uttapam and cook the other side as well until it's crisp and golden. And our healthy high protein uttapam is ready. It pairs perfectly well with chutney, curry, pickle or yogurt. I like to enjoy it with coconut chutney. I'll share the link to my coconut chutney and few more chutney recipes in the description. Feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've never tried high protein uttapam recipe, you should definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.